Hello, welcome to Annie Creations. Let's start with how to register. Register with your basic details: first name, last name, email, mobile, password, and check on privacy policy and click on continue. Please enter a valid email. You will receive email after successful registration. You will logged in directly once registration was successful. This is account page where you can edit your account, change password and see all order history. On top we can see categories. It will show all categories with products count. Select any one category where you can see all the products in that category. You can see how many products available in this category with count and pagination. How to search a product. If you want to search and model directly, on top you can see search bar. Type model number and click on the option displayed. It will directly take you to product detail page. There you can select machine model and add to cart. How to place order. Click on the design you like and check the specifications and select the model. After that, click on add to cart. Your product will add it to cart. Then check out with items added in cart. Add billing details. It is mandatory for the first time. This will be saved in your account. And then click on continue. After coming to payment method, check on terms and conditions and continue. Then click on confirm order and you will see payment options. Choose any one payment method like UPI, net banking, credit card, etc. For example, you choose UPI payment, enter valid UPI ID. And then click on pay now. Do not refresh or go back while doing payment. Please wait while payment is processing. After payment successful, you will receive email with your order details and you can check directly in order history in accounts. Now click on history so you can see your orders and then how to download. Click on I icon and go to product name. There you can see download icon. Click on download icon. Zip file will download to your device. After downloaded successfully, click on show in folder and there you can see downloaded file. Extract to folder and then you can see all files.